You'll be fine by yourself, 'cause a dream is a wish that you make all alone. It's easy to feel like you don't need help, but it's harder to walk on your own. You'll change inside when you realize the world comes to life and everything's right. There through the highs and the lows.
Party at sa Waynat, and wala kang dome. So I just want to greet you happy birthday, happy 18th birthday. Dalaga na ka, so be careful with your actions and wish you all the best in life. That's all.
Hi, happy birthday, Casey. May you have many more birthdays to come, and I hope that all your wishes and dreams will come true. By the way, remember me, my name is Michael, the one that you've jammed with sa Waynat.
Hi Casey, I'm BJ. Happy birthday and hope you enjoy your day.
Hello, hi. My name is Stefan Bicamotera. I'm big bro here in CBA. She was asking me to greet you a very happy 18th birthday, and I wish you good health and good luck.
Happy birthday, Case. Mami, kailan mo pero happy birthday.
Every ko kayo, pero happy birthday.
Happy birthday, more birthdays to come.
Love you.
Hello, I'm Kyle. Happy birthday. God bless and more birthdays to come. And we love you.
Hi Ate Case, happy birthday di ay. Happy 18th birthday. Hope happy ka sa imo dibo. And I wish you will have a blissful dibo. That's all. Thank you.
Hi Case. I'm Jen. Happy 18th birthday. Easy. God bless. And I love you too. Dali na kayo ah? Hi. Just a slight video. So, happy birthday, Casey. Sa 8th day ko. Happy 18th birthday. Wishing you the best and everything. And stay pretty. I know you're pretty, so take care. That's all. Hi Case. Happy 18th birthday. And enjoy your 18th birthday with your family or friends. God bless you always. Yan, ganyan. Plano ka, Dani. Happy
Hi,
birthday.
Ate Casey. Ginahidlaw na ko sa imo. Tapos, tani, makalaag ta. Happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship. Tapos, tani makita ay na sa sunod kag ginhidlaw no kanya na Ate Megbeg ni circles. I wish you all the best. Tapos stay pretty and nice. I love you.
Hi guys, happy 18th birthday. Wishing you all the best in life and study hard. Hope you will enjoy your big day today and God bless you.
Yay, party.
Hello, Casey. Good evening. It's my pleasure to make you to your 18th happy birthday. I wish that more blessings to come and good health. Mabuhay po.
Every now and then we find a special friend who never lets us down, who understands it all, reaches out each time we fall. You're the best friend that I've found. I know you can't stay. Part of you will never ever go away. Your heart will stay. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true. That life will just be kind to such a gentle man. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Ooh, remember me this way.
Hi, sis. Happy 18th birthday! Yay! 18 nakaka-age na ta. So, dili na ko mas magulang sa imo, ha? Anyways, I'm sorry kay wala ko naka-adto dira pero ganahan jud ko mo-adto nimo. Kay birthday god niya 18 pa jud. But daghan man gud hilimuon sa school and klase po ko ugma. So, naghimo na lang ko og video presentation for you. Ako dahil ika-18. Diba 17 man to ganina. So, ni-greet. So, ako ika-18. Save the best for last. Kuan. Kanang, so ni, akong wish para nimo is, tani, sige ka happy. And, love life. Love life pwede. Then, ang imuhang ambitions or imuhang goals in life, may ta imuhang ma-achieve. Dayon, mo to, napakoy usa nga sa last part sa video. Wala lang, share lang. Enjoy your day and I love you.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.